Why can't Ligers and Mules have offspring? Last time, we talked about the difference between species and kinds. We also discussed how animals diversified within their kinds. Now, let's talk about dog breeds and hybrid animals. Dogs are one of the most familiar animals to humans. They come in many different shapes and sizes. Poodles, bulldogs, Siberian huskies. Compared to wolves, they look completely different. But in reality, all dogs are believed to have originated from wolves. Wolves had a wide variety of genetic information, and through environmental changes and human selection, different dog breeds gradually emerged. But why are dogs so much tamer than wolves? Scientists conducted an experiment on foxes. They selectively bred only the tamest foxes, and in just 6 generations, the foxes became completely domesticated. This shows that selection can even change temperament. Wolves went through a similar process, eventually becoming dogs that people could easily raise. What about Ligers, the offspring of a lion and a tiger? Lions and tigers are classified as different species, but they actually belong to the same cat kind. That's why they can breed. The same goes for mules, which are born from a horse and a donkey. These hybrid animals don't occur naturally very often, but humans can create them through selective breeding. But here's the problem. Ligers and mules have difficulty reproducing. Why? Because lions and tigers, and horses and donkeys, have been isolated from each other for a long time, creating significant genetic differences. As a result, their genetic recombination becomes incomplete, often making their offspring infertile. However, that doesn't mean it's completely impossible. Though rare, there have been cases where Ligers and tigers have produced offspring. Does this mean that Ligers are a new species? Not at all. Just because a liger was born doesn't mean that lions and tigers have become different kinds. They were originally created with the same genetic information, which is why they can interbreed. Similarly, no matter how much dogs are selectively bred, they remain dogs. Now, the concept of speciation should be a little clearer. Next time, we'll talk about Cain's wife.